Have you ever wondered how an AI assistant can search your files, access a database, call an API, or interact with an external application? The AI model itself doesn't magically know how to do all of those things. Something has to connect the AI to those external capabilities, and that's where Model Context Protocol, or MCP, comes in. MCP provides a standardized way for AI applications to communicate with external tools and data. So in this video, we're going to break MCP down from the ground up. You'll understand clients, servers, tools, and why this simplifies development. Imagine you're building an AI coding assistant. You want it to read files, search a database, and access GitHub all at once. Without a standard protocol, you'd build a custom integration for every single capability. One for GitHub, one for your database, another for your file system. The architecture quickly becomes difficult to maintain. Every AI application may implement these integrations differently, creating a chaotic ecosystem. MCP changes the approach. It acts as a standard communication layer between AI applications and external capabilities, like a universal translator. MCP doesn't replace your AI model or train it. Instead, it defines a way for an AI to discover and interact with external capabilities. On one side, the AI application; in the middle, the MCP connection; and on the other, an MCP server providing access to a database or file system. Let's look at the three major components: the host or AI application, the MCP client, and the MCP server. The client handles the protocol connection, helping the AI application interact with the tools and resources exposed by the server. An MCP server doesn't have to be a massive backend. It can be small, exposing just a specific folder of documentation or a single internal database. Tools are something the AI can invoke to perform an action, like a search customers tool that the AI uses to get specific information. The AI sends a request, the server executes the operation, and the result comes back. The AI uses that result to answer your question. Resources are different. Tools represent actions, while resources represent information or data, like a documentation page or a database record. Prompts are the third piece, reusable templates for tasks like code reviews, giving the AI structured instructions on how to behave. How does it actually work? If you ask for a sales summary, the AI realizes it lacks data but knows the tool can fetch it. The client requests the tool, the server calls the API, and the AI analyzes the returned data to generate your final response. Standardization matters because you don't need a new architecture for every integration. One server for GitHub, one for Slack, all using the same protocol. MCP is an unlimited access. The server acts as a boundary. You can allow an AI to read files but not delete them, keeping systems secure. Think of it like a restaurant. The API is the kitchen, and MCP is the menu that tells the customer what they can order. We're moving toward AI that can actually interact with the world, reading information, calling tools, and performing real actions. MCP is the common language for this new era. If this helps, subscribe for more. Next time, we'll build a real MCP server. Thanks for watching.